So in a world full of stress, noise, constant demands, finding inner peace and clarity can sometimes feel like an impossible task. But what if you could break free? What if you could transform your life and reconnect with your true self? Welcome to Breathflow Connection. This is a full day workshop on the beautiful island here in Koh Samui. And here you'll get on a journey of incredible self-discovery, healing, and transformation. And this is just so much more than a workshop. This is an evolution of proven practices that deeply resonate with those who are actively seeking change. So through powerful breathwork, you'll find yourself able to meditate deeper than you might have ever experienced before. And you will be prepared for anything. Then for the ancient practice of the ice baths, it will give you an amazing opportunity to break your walls, showing you how resilient you truly are. And then also with authentic relating, you'll discover the profound impact of true connection with yourself as well as with others. And this is where healing happens. This is where true transformation begins. And yes, it's natural to feel fear. Fear of letting go, fear of the unknown, maybe fear of the ice. But here with us, you'll be in great hands. And surrounded by a supportive community, you'll be guided along every step along the way, allowing you to push past your fears and emerge stronger than ever. The time to heal is now. The moment to reclaim your life, supercharge your health, and make a real positive impact is now. So join us for this unique adventure that will profoundly change your life. Now, if you are ready to dive into this powerful experience, schedule a call with me today. And together we will discover whether this workshop is the right journey for you. Spaces are limited. This is your moment.